Wow! This airport is huge. Where do we go first?
Let's check the signs. I see self-service kiosks on the left. Check-in counters, straight ahead. The security checkpoint, at the end of the hall. The waiting area. And the boarding gates down that way.
Great. First, we need our tickets. Let's go to the self-service kiosk. Okay, it says, enter your booking number.
Here it is.
That was fast.
Don't forget our bags. We need to check them in.
Hello, can I see your passports, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one large suitcase. And Emma has a small one.
Could you please place the large one on the scale?
Of course.
Your bag is under the weight limit. The big suitcase will go in the cargo hold. The small one is fine as carry-on.
Yay, I can keep my suitcase with me.
Perfect. Have a nice flight.
Boarding passes and passports, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Laptops, tablets, and liquids out of your bags? And put them on a tray.
Emma, give me your tablet.
Now take off your shoes and belts. And walk through the scanner.
Sure. Come here, sweetie.
All good, you're clear to go.
Mom, I'm bored already. What will we do on the plane?
Maybe some books will help. Let's ask.
Excuse me, is there a bookstore here?
Yes, there's one just past the cafe.
Perfect. Thank you. Look, magazines for us. And Emma, here are some children's books.
Yay! I want this one.
Okay, let's pay and then find our gate. Our flight is delayed.
Oh no, for how long?
About 1 hour.
1 hour. That's forever.
Not forever. Let's go to the cafe for a drink.
Good idea. Coffee for us, juice for Emma. Great job watching the conversations. Don't worry if you didn't understand every single word. That's completely normal. The most important thing is to understand the general meaning. Now, let's practice some useful English words and phrases you learned. 1. Match the words with the pictures. Great job, guys. 2. Choose the correct answer. To get your boarding pass from the machine, you should enter your A. Booking number, B. Flight number, booking number. Your big suitcases go into the A. Cargo hold, B. Passenger area, cargo hold. At security, you walk through the scanner, your shoes, A. With, B. Without. Without. When your flight is delayed, it takes off than the time on your ticket. A. Earlier, B. Later. Later.
And that's it for today. We've checked in, passed security, and even found a cozy cafe while waiting for our delayed flight. Airports can be busy and sometimes a little stressful, but with a bit of practice, you'll feel much more confident. In the next video, we'll take you on board the plane and show you what happens during the flight. So stay with us. The journey has just begun. See you in part 2.